Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. I'm just going to dive into Bitcoin once again. Thank you for support, okay? Big up the CoinsKid crew. Thank you for everything that you do, okay? If you can smash a like button, that'd be amazing. And, you know, thank you for your support. Thank you for smashing the like button as well and sharing the content. If you're not following me on Twitter, definitely get involved in that right now, okay? So, for me, your Bitcoin's really, really bullish, okay? You've took off here. You've got a little bit of extended. You've got a little bit of extended from impulsive wave target, to be honest with you. Our impulsive target was around about 65,500 or something like that, wasn't it? You know, we actually met that and ran into it and got a little bit of extended and then rolled back to a key level support right now. Worst case scenario, if you start to see a correction in the market, you know, if you start to see a rollover, I'll put some cheeky bids on the 20. But I'm going to show you something that for me looks really, really bullish for Bitcoin moving forward, because I think we're conforming to some kind of pattern at the moment. I see a lot of people saying we're going through Wyckoff distribution. This was a smaller one, and right now we're doing exactly the same, potentially, but I don't see it at the minute. I think that Bitcoin's really bullish. I think it's gearing up for a fantastic run, and I do anticipate that we're looking at that relatively soon. You know, potentially by the end of November we could be up there at 107k, so you could be looking at a further appreciation here. You know, once we break this high just here, you could be looking at a beautiful 59% upside in November to get to our impulsive wave target, where we're putting a bit of retracement, and then we have that major blow off top right up there, you know, towards the end of the year moving into next year for Bitcoin. You know, who knows, watch this space, but so far Bitcoin's done everything it needs to for continuation. You know, I did give you this impulsive wave target when we load out down here in June. I said to you, look, if Bitcoin right now comes back up and breaks this level of resistance, you're broken out of this falling wedge, you know, you're looking at retracement to these highs, and you've done exactly that. You know, so you've broken this high, which validates this big wave 5 that you're in right now. And now your wave 5 for me is looking for extension, okay? I've covered that before. I'm going to try and make this Bitcoin video a bit quick today because I've got to shoot out much Leicester City, but you know, you're looking good. Basically you're looking good, so it's all about retracing and holding a key level support, potentially, like I said to you, bottled out here, you roll back to the EMAs, continuation, bottled out here, roll back to the EMAs, continuation. Really is that simple, okay? So yeah, for me, your Bitcoin's looking really, really good. Now there is one thing that's happening just here for Bitcoin, okay? I've noticed this on a daily time frame. If we zoom in on the 4 hour, I can show you even better, okay? So for me, your Bitcoin's rallying in the week and correcting and consolidating at weekends. Now this could actually show institutional interest, which is what we're gearing up for. We want the institutional interest. So look, at the weekend, look at that. These bars are the weekend indicator. It's called weekend Saturday Sunday. It's a simple indicator. You drop it into your charts and you can see the bars represent the weekend, okay? So you can see we rally in the week, consolidate in the weekends, rally in the week, consolidate weekends, rally in the week, had that correction towards the end of the week, consolidate, okay? And you can see we've done that ever since we broke out down here towards the end of September, where we rolled over, putting that low, create that beautiful double bottom down here on the daily, started to break out in October, rallied, consolidate, rallied, consolidate, rallied, consolidate, rallied, corrective, consolidate. So right now, come tomorrow, we're going to break out again. You know, are we moving impulsively in the week? This is something to keep an eye on, because the next 2 months for Bitcoin historically are extremely bullish here for crypto, okay? Extremely bullish in each and every single bull market, which you are actually in, confirmation because you broke that high. This is your wave 5, okay, which I've always shown you. You are in that wave basically. So for me, you are really bullish and you're looking for a fantastic couple of months ahead, okay? You really are. But again, not got a crystal ball and anything can happen, but we've got technical targets to the upside. So for me right now, if your Bitcoin has lowered out here, okay, and it doesn't quite come down to this 20 EMA, and right now we're putting an impulsive wave in the week ahead, this is your technical target where I do think Bitcoin will rally to in the week, okay? This is your technical target. Let me get on the 4 hour, I can get a bit more precision here. So you could be looking at the 1618 target of 72,141 just there for Bitcoin, okay, which would be a beautiful little move from here of around about, let's have a look at that, 18%, okay? So if you're not a degen, wait for the break of this eye, because that's confirmation of an impulsive wave, and you're looking at 7.24% long right there, you know, and you're putting your ABC on the 4 hour, and right now you're starting to pick up. It's all about these EMAs. You can see at the moment, okay, you're getting a little bit of rejection off the 55. Potentially you need to see some kind of W bottom pattern forming just here and higher lows. So if I drop this level of resistance in just here, okay, we're looking for a bottom out pattern, something like this. Look, come up, do this, do that, boom, break out, see you later. Okay, you're moving onwards and upwards and back up the stairs for Bitcoin. So we're looking for a bottoming out signature just there. So this is a level of resistance that I do think if you do start to see that particular level of resistance broken, then this could potentially be a precursor to the fact that you're going to start to come up and you're going to put that new impulsive wave target up to this particular target around about 72,000, isn't it? Let's have a look. Let me move this down here. Yeah, around about 72141 is the next impulsive wave target. And you can see each and every single impulsive wave target up here has been met, okay, on the dollar. This one's got a little bit extended, hence a larger correction and coming back to a key level of support for continuation. Yeah, so that's basically Bitcoin. Like I said to you, the worst case scenario here, if you do start to see more of a correction, you know, just put some cheeky bids on the 20 EMA because you can see, you know, we were getting a little bit overextended from that. And like I said to you, you always want to see this curl over, okay, and tighten this gap up. When you start to see it going vertical, you're looking to tighten the gap up, okay, for continuation. Pretty much like you did here, you broke out, fell back into the EMA's continuation. You know, worst case scenario, you do roll over, have a little rollover down there. But like I said to you, the deeper you retrace, the greater the impulsive pace. So let's say, for example, we have a little whip down to this particular level right here, the 20 EMA, sorry, on the daily, and we get a key level support off the daily 20, which is a 58369. Then that will give you a greater impulsive wave target of $73,041. So from there right now, if you wasn't fortunate to get some cheeky bids on this 20 and it did roll over and get a bounce off it, you know, because it's what happens, it wicks down. Look at the wicks down onto the 20. Fruitful. You know, if you do get lucky and you get that sort of retest down there and it bounces, then you're looking at 24% long right there on Bitcoin, okay, on a multi-trillion-dollar market cap. Not quite multi-trillion-dollar market cap just yet, but one day soon, eh? So yeah, that's basically Bitcoin. That's what you're looking at. There's key level support, and that's what you're looking at, continuation. Keep an eye on the weekend and the week rally here. You know, like I said to you, you consolidating at weekends. This, my friend, shows institutional interest for me personally. I might be wrong. Okay, so that's Bitcoin. Take care, everyone. Back soon with another update on Bitcoin. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Bye bye.